In this question, it is given that as shown in figure, the tension in the horizontal cord is 30 Newton, the weight W and tension in the string OA in newtons are. So if you are observing this question, we can just identify what are the forces acting. So here the forces acting on this objects are nothing but weight of this object, that is W, which is acting in downward direction. And in this direction, there is a force of 30 Newton is acting. And other than that, there will be tension which is developed inside the string. Let's say that is equal to T. Now we can resolve this tension into two components. We know that component of tension along this direction is nothing but T cos 30, and the component of tension along this direction, which we can take it as something but T sine 30. Now from the equation of equilibrium, or from the concept of equilibrium, we can write the net force acting on this one should be equal to 0. That means force acting in upward direction, which is T cos 30, should be equal to the force acting downward direction, which is nothing but W. Or you can write the value of T sine 30 should be equal to force acting towards right, that is 30. So from this equation we can write this as T into sine 30 is 1 by 2 should be equal to nothing but 30. Or you can write the value of T is equal to nothing but 60. Same as like that, if we are putting this value of T, then we can find out the value of W over here, as W is equal to T cos 30. From the first equation, you can write W is equal to the value of T, we got it as 60, that is 60 into cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. So we'll get as nothing but 30 root 3. So the value of T is going to be 60 and W is going to be 30 root 3.